Okay, the purpose of this lab is to install expansion cards in 2 machines. So we'll go to the hardware bench and we're just supposed to figure this out by sight. So we'll zoom in a little bit. Which type of expansion card slot does each motherboard have? There's the left. How does the bottom slot in computer 1 differ than the top? Well, you can see the notch is in a different location in the bottom slot. And that determines what expansion card can fit into the bus slot. So in computer 1, we're to install the VGA PCI video card, PCIe video card. This one is the VGA PCIe video card. So we'll put it there. And we're supposed to install the PCIX network card. Okay. And on computer 2, we're supposed to add the HDMI PCIe video card, which is there. And we're supposed to install the PCIe network adapter. Okay, let's click Score Lab and see how that went. All right, great. Thank you for watching.